Alright guys, we're here with my 2013 Honda Civic LX. It's getting a little warm outside here in SoCal. 106 to be exact, so this little baby needs a little help pushing some cold air. So today we actually got a Sub-Zero refrigerant filler. We're going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to fix your guys' AC, keep you cool, stop making you look all sweaty. So this actually retails for $49.99. It was on sale for 10 bucks off, 39. So total today I spent about $51.29 at AutoZone. We're gonna go ahead and check it out and see if it actually works. So it seems to be pretty quick, simple steps. It's gonna be 3 total steps. We're gonna start by turning on our car. So we're gonna start by turning on our car. AC on full blast. Max AC, max coldness. Okay, so we're gonna put everything up to max. Then we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood open. We're gonna come over here and pop our hood open. So I was just opening up the product. Let's go over the instructions right here. Fast and easy. Find low pressure point, measure, and go ahead and use this gauge right here. We're gonna go ahead and see how much pressure my AC actually has, and we're gonna try to fill it up between 40 to 50. So let's see if this is actually worth it. So we're gonna start by locating our low pressure point right here. It's gonna be that L cap. We're gonna unscrew that off, and then we're gonna go ahead and attach our nozzle and fill up our tank. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Put that right here. There you go. Cool. So my AC is saying it's almost at 40. I would like to fill it up to 40, 50. We're gonna go all the way up to 50 today. Just keep it lasting a little longer.
Woo! Woo!
It is really hot.
Woo!
We're inside my car now after trying out this Sub-Zero, and I could say honestly, it did help chill it a little bit, huh?
Yeah,
it wasn't,
definitely.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't working as good as it used to be when I first got the car. Like the AC is actually cold.
Yeah, because when I first got in his car, it was like on my car's lowest.
It gets cold, but it's on max AC and it's not as cold as like max AC. It feels like regular AC, huh?
Yeah,
like
yours.
halfway, yeah. But
like low.
yeah, but this is the first time I've ever tried any product like this. Ended up putting almost the whole bottle in there. I do feel a difference. 50 bucks difference. Maybe like, it's okay, huh? 50 bucks. We'll see how long it lasts.
Yeah.
But definitely, we did need something like this. Show you guys why we need something like this. It literally 107. 107. It seems to work.
Yep. It does.
Yeah.
What do you rate it? What do you rate it? Like 1 out of 10?
I give it 50 bucks.
Yeah.
I'm cheap. I hate spending money.
What's new?
But like this, it does work. 50 bucks. For 50 bucks, I give it an
How
8.
much was it?
50 bucks.
Oh.
Me saying 50 bucks. You know how much is it? Yeah, it was 52 bucks in total. With the $10 refundable deposit fee on the bottle, so I give it back, they give me 10 bucks back. But I still have a little bit more. Probably try putting it in my mom's car. But yeah, it does work. 50 bucks. 5 hours worth of work. Yeah, it's fine. Definitely would do that if your AC is trash. I was okay, but everybody does come into my car and say the AC is not cold.
Yeah,
literally.
No. I remember when we were in Canyon Lake, remember?
Yeah.
It wasn't cold.
Yeah, this is, and it's on full blast. It is kind of cold actually. Yeah, I'd buy it again. 50 bucks.
How much?
50 bucks, 52 bucks, 51.29. But yeah, 8.5 out of 10. I'd give it.
That's a good rate.
Yeah, a good rate. Yeah, definitely check out the product. Let me know how you guys like it. Make sure to have your car on and on full blast. Full AC blast, full temperature blast, full temperature blast when you're doing it outside.
Bye.
Bye.